Hi, welcome back to Tiny RV Cooking. Long story short, I created this channel to show you can cook in small spaces and have a great time doing it. All you need is laughter, happiness, in your heart and soul. I want to inspire you to make great memories in your tiny kitchen. Please join me to like, share with all your family and friends to be part of my tiny RV cooking family. So today we'll be making Instant Pot, easy tortellini and sausage pasta. If you'd like to see how I make this super easy recipe, stay tuned and I'll show you how. I've already preheated my Instant Pot, so I put it on saute and now it's hot. We're going to need a little bit of sausage. I like my sausage mix so it's spicy and Italian. It's about a fourth of a pound, roughly. A little more, a little less. Just put as much as you like in. I didn't put any oil in it because this will have already oil coming out of it. And we'll deglaze it when we're done, so I'm not worried about anything sticking on the bottom. We're going to keep breaking this up until it's cooked. We want it 99% cooked, if not all the way. I pretty much do all the way because the pasta will only take 2 minutes. It's almost cooked. While this is finishing up, to our beef base, we have a cup of beef base. We're going to put 2 tablespoons of tomato paste in. Then we're going to whisk it together till it's all incorporated. You don't want anything thick touching it, so if we mix it in, it won't give us the burn notice. And I find it just easier to mix it in my broth versus putting in the pot and try and mix it up. All mixed in. Let's go back and check on this. We're going to add a little bit of wine. About 1/4 of a cup in. And we're going to deglaze with that. You don't want to use wine, you can use more broth. You want to make sure all the fond is up so you don't get any burn notice. So I'm picking it up and I'm looking just to make sure. As you can see, there's a little bit right here. I find it easier to pick up and move around. I can always put it back down if I want to put more heat on. Easier to see when you have food in it. I'm going to press off, cancel, which is already canceled. So cancel. We're going to put our broth in. That's a cup and a half of broth with the tomato paste. To make this a little bit faster, because busy days, who has time to do a lot of cooking but want a delicious meal on the table? Quick. So I have diced tomatoes that have basil, garlic, and oregano. They have all the flavor in it. I don't need to add more. I'm just throwing that in. 1 cup. 1 can is all we need. So it is semi-homemade. We're going to add our tortellini to it. I got a sweet Italian sausage tortellini. We're just going to pour the whole thing in on top. Just pat it down. We're going to put the lid on. Make sure your sealing ring is on tight, so I always put my finger around it. Also make sure you remember to put a sealing ring in. Just put it on top, turn it, and I'll scooch it back so you can see. I'm going to pressure cook for 2 minutes. Then we'll release the pressure instantly, and if we have to, there's still sauce left in there, you know, like still liquid, we'll press saute. I'll see roughly in 12 minutes because it takes 10 minutes to come to pressure. It is now time to press the release. It is already done cooking. It doesn't want to hold. There it goes. We're going to release all the pressure. Carefully take off the lid. It still has way too much liquid for me, so what I'm going to do is press saute and it'll cook it down. So I'll press cancel and saute, and it will cook this liquid down. So it won't be so runny. It won't take long at all. Let me see, let me show you. See if you can see, just a little more liquid. There, maybe I got a good view that way. There, see, you can see just a little liquid. It's almost done. We're just trying to thicken up just a tad. Hold you like that. Might not be the best view, but okay. It looks thicker. Pick you up. We're going to press cancel. Oops. So I got cancel. I'm going to just sprinkle a little bit of cheese. I normally have cheese grated, but I'm really doing a fast one today. Sometimes it's not too bad to do semi-homemade. And now it's time to dish up. A little more sausage and falls mostly to the bottom. So you gotta dig for it. Move this aside. We're going to wipe off the bowl so it looks pretty. Then I'm going to sprinkle a little more cheese right on top. And now it's time for the best part. Try our easy sausage tortellini. And now finally the best part. We get to try our easy Instant Pot sausage tortellini. I'm serving it with a chopped salad and just some Texas toast. Just really a simple meal today. It's great to throw away. It's great to throw a dinner together when you have one of those busy days or you are gone all day. You just want to throw something together quick and easy. This is on the table in a half an hour. Perfect. Let's give it a try. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. So good. So easy to make. I have to give it one more taste. It's just that good. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. 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 So good. So easy to make. Perfect. I want to thank everybody that's been staying with me. All my subscribers, I'm very sorry I have not put out my videos every Monday and Wednesday. My asthma is finally under control. So as of now, you will see videos every Monday and Wednesday. So thank you very much for staying tuned and watching all my videos. So thank you for coming to Tiny RV Cooking. I'd like to invite you to like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell for new notification on videos. I put out new videos every Monday and Wednesday. Leave a comment down below if you made any of these great recipes. Leave a comment down below what you'd like to see me make in my tiny kitchen. My camper is only 22 foot long, but I love her. I'll see you next time on Tiny RV Cooking. Bye!